Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to change Instagram account's password. If you are looking for a way to change your Instagram password, then here's how you do it. First of all, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to change the password for. Now go ahead and tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner to open up your profile. After opening up the profile of yourself, go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings and activity page. Click on Account Center at the top of the screen and then click on the Password and Security button at the bottom under Account Setting. Click on Change Password on the next page and then from the Accounts options, select Instagram. Go ahead and enter your current password in the first tab and then enter a new password you are trying to change to on the next. Retyping the new password once again in the last field and then finally click on Change Password. If you're skeptical about someone else has been using your Instagram account, then you have this little box at the bottom of the screen where it says log out of other devices. Make sure you check that on and then click on Change Password at the bottom. This will log you out of Instagram on any other devices that may have logged into your account with. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.